Non bisogna mangiare gli animali. Possiamo nutrirci con cereali e verdure. I vegani creano il paradiso sulla terra per gli animali. Ici ne comprends pas, sont des folles. Tout le monde va comprendre. Bravo.
If you want to get to heaven, you know what to do. It's time to be vegan for the animals and you, Mother Earth, the skies and the oceans too. We have to protect them, we all know it's true. Heaven is vegan. 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 It's vegan right now for every pig, lamb, turkey, fish, chicken, and cow. All we have to do is change our ways and lead with our hearts towards better days. Heaven is vegan. Heaven is vegan. Heaven is vegan. Heaven is vegan. No matter your race, size, color, gender, or religion, you can be a good person, an ethical vegan, and help to create heaven. Hallelujah. I'll remember this day, I'll remember this moment. Today's the first day of the rest of my vegan life. I'll remember this feeling, I'll remember this love. Today's the first day of the rest of my vegan life. From this day forward I will always be proud to be vegan, and I will declare it out loud. I'm here to save you, I'm here to save you, little lambs, chickens, turkeys, fish, pigs, and cows too. I'm here because that vegan teacher helped me to see beyond myself, deep into the eyes and heart of someone else. The future is vegan, no matter what your religion. We will rise to protect them, the most innocent. Amen. The future is vegan, no matter what your religion. You know it in your heart, and you know where to start. We will be better, we will be vegan. I can't force you to do anything. I can't force you to do what's right. All I can do is hope that you think of them the next time you pick up your fork and you take a bite. Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door. Love animals, eat plants. Be brave, be kind, be loved, be vegan. Every morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. Every morning we can sing a new song. We can choose to be vegan from now on. Every morning we are born again. What we do today It's the perfect time to be vegan with me. It's the perfect time to see that the animals deserve to be free. It's the perfect time to show your empathy. It's the perfect time to return to who you were meant to be. It's the perfect time to be vegan with me. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.